Reloads can be resource intensive, especially with large files, and just reloading with a low rate may reduce its system impacts, but may also require excessive completion times. MARS deals with this in two ways, specifying only files that need to be reloaded and performing those reloads in a controlled fashion. Rather than reading all the data in a file, MARS takes a sample to minimize the overhead of determining which files need to be reloaded. Select the Evaluate Files report from the Tools menu to evaluate the reload state of your database in real time. Select Criteria and then Set to choose the files to evaluate. Both Guardian and SQLMX patterns may be scanned, as well as other criteria to identify the files. So here we'll add and we'll set the property criteria to avoid these. Now, under the Reload Triggers tab, select the thresholds for the file attributes for which you would consider a reload would be required for the files in question, and then press OK to display a list of files. So note that reloads are performed at a partition level, so you'll see the evaluation results by Guardian location, although you can choose to display the SQLMX object as well, if you desire. Note that the Will Trigger Reload column indicates that two of the selected files will be reloaded according to the reload triggers we entered. So once you're happy with this list of objects that you want to see, select Criteria, create File Set from Criteria to create a file set using this report as a starting point. So give the file set a name and choose how and when the files will be scanned. So every day at midnight is fine, as well as a reload schedule under which these reloads will actually be performed after they're scanned. So we'll hit Create now. Then press the Home button and Manage File Set Scans. Beside the new file set, you will see that it is scheduled scan for the first time tonight, but we can manually start the scan via the Actions menu. And then you can see scanning my file set here. And once the scans are complete, we can go to the Manage Reload Queue page to see the reloads in a weighted state. Now these reloads will not be performed, however, until the default reload schedule opens. The Manage Reload Schedules page shows that this schedule will not be open until tomorrow morning at 1 a.m. If we go to the properties of that schedule, you will see that the window here is open every weekday from 1 to 7 a.m. and it will run up to 3 reloads at the same time on CPU 0 and 1.